barbecue pulled pork sandwich. Now just wait a second. There's a million barbecue pulled pork recipes online. What's gonna be so different about this one? I'm gonna take this sandwich and I'm gonna make it Hawaiian style. And I'm not just gonna sprinkle some Hawaiian salt on it. We're gonna go truly in-depth Hawaiian style and make this right here. So sit back and check this out. Our first main ingredient, we have our pork shoulder. Then we're gonna take the pork and we're gonna hit it with some of this Hawaiian salt. I'm gonna put it inside the banana leaves. We're gonna smoke it with the hickory smoke for about 2 hours. And then we're gonna braise it in pineapple juice for another 3 to 4 hours till it's fork tender. Now for our homemade slaw ingredients, we have cabbage, carrots, mayonnaise, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of sugar. Check this out. I found some of this, it just came out, Hawaiian style sweet baby Braise barbecue sauce. So that's gonna go on our bun. Now for our buns, King's Hawaiian buns. They're now making hamburger buns. Awesome, you know the little slider rolls that they usually make? These are the hamburger buns. And then, now, last but not least, we got our little pineapple slice. First thing we wanna do is we wanna get this thing prepped up for the smoker. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna place this onto our banana leaves. Then we're gonna very liberally sprinkle our salt all over, and I'm gonna do it on both sides. Kind of press it in so it's on there. Then I'm gonna have the fat side on the top because as it smokes and as it cooks, the fat is naturally gonna drip down over the meat, keeping the meat moist. Now I'm gonna wrap it up. Just like that. Just carefully try to turn it without ripping your leaves this way. So then that way this side gets covered as well. And this one. Just like that. Okay, so I have some cooking twine here. I'm gonna do a wrap this way. Then I'm gonna pull this way. I'm gonna go underneath and wrap around and just give it a tie, and that should just keep everything kind of together. So I got the smoker going. We're gonna place our pork in. I'm gonna smoke it for at least 2 hours. Got 30 more minutes to go on the smoking. Now we're gonna go ahead, preheat your oven to 325. For the oven, get a braising pan. We're going to fill the braising pan enough to where it's gonna cover the pork halfway up because we're going to braise with the pineapple juice. Our pork is in the smoking for 2 hours. We're gonna place it into our braising pan. Notice how the liquid only comes halfway up, that's perfect. We're gonna stick it in the oven for about 3 to 4 hours until fork tender, covered. Make sure it is covered. Alright guys, so 3 hours later, this is what we got. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this out, remove it, and we're gonna start pulling it apart with our fork. Beautiful. Look at how tender that is. Awesome. We're gonna prepare our coleslaw. Always save that till the last. You wanna have a nice crisp coleslaw, so do it last. Here we go. Alright, the moment you have all been waiting for, let's build these sandwiches right now. A little bit of barbecue sauce each side. And that's how you make Hawaiian style pulled pork sandwiches. Sexy.